We're a local leather cleaning business that is proud to serve Hillhead. The best part of my job is seeing customers' faces after we've just cleaned their leather furnishings. After we've professionally cleaned your leather furnishings, your home is a cleaner and safer environment for you to relax in.
I've used Mcmillans Cleaning Restoration for many years. I've recommended them to my friends and family who have all used them and always would give them a call. As a mum, and I run a busy household with 2 boys and a dog, and they've removed stains such as foundation, red wine and dog dirt.
I recently had Mcmillans came and cleaned all my carpets and my rugs, and they made a perfect job of everything, and I would highly recommend them to anyone else.
We're also a family-run business. My dad, Craig Mcmillan, started over 25 years ago and is now run by myself and my brother Fraser. And we hope that our boys will keep the family business running after us. We want to make sure that you're delighted with the cleaning service that we offer. If you're not 100% happy, we'll either re-clean it for free or refund you every penny. If you want your leather furnishings professionally cleaned by our team, please call us on 0141 892 6300.